Hi, my name is Alexey, and together with my colleagues, we will present today what kind of device we have developed at Innovation Lab. This device is a smart carpet. It is used to detect human steps and movement and can be used for people counting in retail or any other crowded places. The core of the technology is the printed electronics, a sensor array of almost 10,000 of pixels. Each of them is capturing the weight and the movement of the human body. A second essential part is artificial intelligence, which is used to analyze the patterns of movement and recognize if it is a human or some other object on the carpet. Therefore, we are able to distinguish human from other objects like a card. Therefore, the device can be used in supermarket to measure how many people are inside and how the measures of the security are fulfilled. And now I will give a word to a colleague of mine, Kevin, who will tell you more about technical specs of the device.
Hello and welcome. My name is Kevin Schmidt. I'm Development Engineer of Innovation Lab GmbH. My colleague Alexey already introduced what the matrix is about, and I explained what's inside. So we have the 96x96 sensor matrix, which can be customized as you like it, in size, in shape, and in pixel resolution. It's a very thin substrate. It's printed electronics, so almost invisible. We use, as one can see here, a 12-bit readout electronics, which can be customized as well to 16-bit, 8-bit as customer needs it. And for the software, we use now a deep learning model combined with traditional image processing to recognize between human and card and counting the human. This can be optimized as well. We can count cards as well if the customer needs it. Therefore, let's see how it works.
On this device, you can see how printed electronics can be combined with artificial intelligence and absolutely new applications can be implemented. The key advantage of printed electronics is large size and low cost. And that's exactly what we are using in this prototype. One can map pressure distribution along very big areas, and this enables us to make digital floors, the floor which will sense when the human is walking over it. With this, we are making the GPDR compatible human tracking, where no private data or no personal data is going to the cloud. And this is extremely important use case, which is becoming more and more sensitive in the coming years. Thank you for your attention.